Today we come to 100 words Thunderbook. This is the touch sensor for the Thunderbook. And as we can see that this is the gift border for packing. It's very thick. And for the Thunderbook, is the handle. There is the handle. It's handheld, very easy for kids. And we can see that there are 3 adjustable switch. This is for off, and then low volume, high volume. When you turn on the switch, there is sound effect for welcome to your learning. And then when we open the book, and as we can see that there are 10 pages, 10 inner pages, and there are 2 more pages on the cover. So there are total 12 pages. And as we can see that there is English and Korean, so that we can learn about 2 languages on one Thunderbook. And then touch. It's very sensitive and easy for touch. When you touch it very light, the sound will play. For first touch is for English. For second touch is for other languages such as Korean, Spanish, and so on.
Birthday, 생일. Birthday, 생일.
And we can see that this is the round corner. It's very safe for kids, and it will not be sharp and not make the kids get injury. And when we turn to other page, there is also sound effect. We can see that the paper is very thick and it's very tight, not easy to be damaged.
Tie, horse, king. 1, king, 1.
For each page, there is music and words. Different words for animals, for families, and so on. For this soundboard, if you want to know more details, please do not hesitate to contact us immediately or at any time. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day.